Hi, I'm Jessica.
I'm Kendrick.
We would like to welcome you to our family of 4. We met on MySpace, became best friends, fell in love at 15 and 16, and had 2 precious babies named Aliana and Caden. We are the Freeman family.
Do it. You can't out-burp me. Ready? Set. You can't even do it no more. Oh, there it goes.
Is it on both of you? Oh, she won that one.
Brush your teeth. You gonna brush them? No, you're just gonna hold a toothbrush in your hand and look pretty, huh? Addie, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush them.
Me and Fat Man, we are sitting here chilling.
$10 a month. It's beauty on your own terms.
Good day in the neighborhood. Smashing. Hey, Caden. Caden. Hey, little man. Hey, little man. Hey, little man. All right, y'all. I'm finish my dinner.
You're doing what?
I'm getting the talk. I'm pissed off.
Why?
Fucking
Don't cuss.
my freaking.
I didn't know you were recording.
I'm going to get the talk because I'm mad. I'm my job. Work more this week, and it's all like they took more out. So it don't matter how hard you work, it's like it always put will be one step back. Anyway, I don't want to talk about it. I'm not going to get the talk.
Don't be pissy pants. Don't be pissy pants. Don't be pissy pants. Don't be pissy pants.
Yes, Then bust that ass, huh?
My potty mouth.
Allie, tell him say night-night. Blow kisses. Can you blow kisses for mommy and then I'll put some on you? Blow kisses.
Yeah.
Blow kisses and mommy will put some deodorant on. Blow kisses, go mwah.
Good night.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Get the camera. We are going. Here. You got it? Is that thing that big? You can't hold it. Oh. Say hey.
Hey.
Hello. Say hello. All right, look, Kane, we're gonna get you out of the tub. Oh. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Hold on.
Cracker. Thank you.
Wash your hands. Both hands. Wash hands. Put them together. Okay, all done. All done. Hold on. Let me bring the bottle to the room.
You? I love you. Blow kiss go mwah. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.